Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the creating toolpath of stepped bar in CAM environment, computer aided manufacturing using Autodesk Fusion 360. In subject, product design engineering. Myself, Mr. SP Udgave, working as assistant professor in Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Mechanical Department. So today, the first job that is creating the toolpath using Autodesk Fusion 360, that is a CAM environment. The figure shows the stepped bar, that is a with turning operation, the numbers of operation, facing operation, profile roughing operation, profile finishing, and finally drilling operation. That all operation we are performing in turning. So initially the software installed in your laptop or desktop. So open the software through which we are creating the sketch. Select the sketch or create. Then initially select the plane. On that plane, the stepped bar, taking the drawing. So initial rectangle, second, creating the second rectangle. Use the pan to move the screen. Again, press the escape. Similar way, the next step. Numbers of rectangles, or we are creating the sketch. Then press the escape out from the sketch. Finish the sketch. Then use the 3D command. So numbers of commands available: extrude, groove, revolve, loft, rip. So revolve command for the symmetrical object. Then first rectangle, second and third. These are the profile for the revolve command. Then select the axis. Click on the axis. We can get the object, 3D object. Then press OK for 360-degree. Or also use the orbit to change the position of object. Okay. Then escape out from the command. So object is created. Now the setup CAM environment by using selecting the machine setup and work coordinate system and stock selection. So initially we are going to select the stock. Initially go into the workspace center, select the manufacturing. In manufacturing, select the new setup, same procedure. Already that procedure we have discussed in last video. Then select the stock in which the mode we can select relative size of cylinder, and the extra size, that is a radial stock offset. We can take radial offset near about 5 mm. Front side stock offset we can take for the facing operation, that is a rear side, 3 mm. On the front side we can take the near about 5 mm extra stock, and round up to nearest, you can keep as it is 0. Then go for the setup in which you can select the machine. So machine selected, that is the Autodesk, that is the turning first, that is the capabilities, additive, cutting, milling and turning. Then select the turning option. Then select the Autodesk generic mill turn lathe Fusion 360 library. Select. This is the model information, capability of machine, and the coolant axis information it is given, and select the machine. Then after that, the setup, that is turning operation, spindle, that is a primary spindle, and the orientation. So Orientation we can already, that is a select Z axis. It is not required to again select the orientation. Then finally you can select the OK. Initial setup, it is done. So machine selection, it is a completed. Then setup, it is a completed, and also work coordinate systems are taken, that is a similar to the figure shown in the slide. Now next step, operations. So numbers of operations required to complete the facing, profile roughing, profile finishing, and drilling. So first operation we are going to complete, that is a facing. Then open it, and for that, for turning, additive and numbers of, that is, operations are shown in the taskbar. Then select the turning face. For turning face, initially we require to select the turning tool selection. Then select option, it is selected. Then choose the tool category. So for turning, you can select the turning option in tool category. So numbers of tools are available in the software, or as per the shop floor present tools, we can add or customize the tool selection. You can add that tool. So you can select the CNMT right hand tool, 8 mm, and overall length is 30 mm. Image shows the actual tool. Then select the tool. Then press OK. So this shows the actual profile, that is a first turning operation, that is a face turning operation. You can check this operation, that is a simulation, through the action. Then go for the generate the tool path. We can press S. Again go for action, simulate, then stock, and with stock already, that is a selected. Then play option. In single pass 3 mm cut, it is taken. Close. Similar way, in setup 1, we completed the facing operation. So next operation, that is a profile roughing operation. For that, so profile roughing operation, we are going to select the profile roughing operation, go into the software, in turning option, that is a second option, that is a turning profile roughing. That is a turning roughing strategy is used to remove the bulk of material from the part. It can be used to outside diameter and inside diameter, cutting vertically or horizontally. Select the turning option, select the tool for turning, tool category. Same process we are going to continue, loading numbers of tools. Again, the numbers of tools are available. Right hand tool we are going to select. So select option, and for roughing operation we can press OK. So profile roughing operation. So this tool path is generated. This path we can again generating the tool path, selecting the operation, that is generating the operation, say yes. Then again simulation, again we are going to play the simulation. extra 3 mm material is provided at the end. Is a hold in chuck. Numbers of pass. The material is removed. After completion of that, a particular red point that is shows that is a operation profile roughing operation, turning profile roughing, and the rapid collision with stock. The tool that is a rapid uh, collision occurs because of the extra material that is provided front of the job. Again, close this taskbar. So next operation after completion of profile roughing, next operation that is profile finishing operation. So profile finishing operation, similar way for turning profile finishing operation, select same tool for the tool that is a category available. We are going to select numbers of pass or the light cut with the spindle speed we can increase. We can take numbers of pass. Also directory we can search for the new tools that is added. So turning general operation, this type selected, then metric or inch. Turning sample tools, we can select that is a VNMT, that is a 0.2 mm cutting, and turning generation 30 mm. Select the tool, then select option specification, then press the OK. Surface finishing operation, we are going to check with the generating the path. Again action, generate the path. Similar way simulate. So in turning again we can select the some problem comes, and finishing tool selected flood, that is a coolant is used. Then select the simulation. Toolpath has no section because of already that is a all material it is removed with the profile roughing operation. We cannot select the profile finishing operation. Somewhat difficulty will comes. So delete that operation. So similar way we can select the same tool that is a for profile finishing also. We are going to select the same tool. already selected, then press OK. CNMT. Select the turning option. CNMT tool that is with specification. Select, press OK. Tool path is generated. Generate anyway, yes. Again simulate. Then play option. That is a profile finishing operation. Then close. The next operation comes the drilling operation. For drilling operation, again go for design. For that, select the front face, select the create sketch, circle. About 23 we can select. That is, the tool is available of 23 diameter. Then finish sketch and again extrude the opposite direction, that will create the hole throughout the workspace. Then go into the workspace, select manufacturing, and the next, that is a after completion of the simulation, that is the simulation of selecting the tool for drilling operation. So select the drilling. First select the tool. For tool category, we are going to select the hole making. In which drill, and then numbers of tools are available in data. Sample, also select the sample profile. Metric tool, sample profile, inch tool, folders, sample tools in metric. These are the tools available. Diameter, we are going to select the 23, near about 23. Numbers of tools available with different diameters. Also the fluid length and the overall length we are going to select. So these are the numbers of tools available. 15 mm, 19 mm, 16 mm, near about 23.5 mm, and total length is 200, fluid length 240 mm, overall length. We can select the tool, the different types of metal for plastic, carbon, steel, copper, brass. Select the tool, then press OK. Press operation, we are going to select. After completion of that, then again action or generating path, then simulate. How we can get close. So these are the numbers of operation we are going to complete. And finally post processing, where combinedly we can see all these operations with setup. select the setup, then all the operation you can generate the one single program. So sequentially, first facing operation, second profile roughing operation, then profile finishing operation, and finally turning operation. So you can see the tool path, that is the first facing operation tool path, that is shown in this figure. Same second, that is a profile roughing operation tool path. So same tool we are going to select, because of there is a no availability or no customization, it is created in the software. So same tool for the facing, profile roughing, and that is a facing, profile roughing, and profile finishing. As per the requirement, we are going to change the tool, and finally that is a drilling operation with the drill bit, and simulate it. And overall, that is all operation we can see. First, that is a facing operation, then turning operation, that is a profile tool, it is shown, that is a tool path, numbers of paths, that is unwanted material, it is removed from the workpiece step by step. And second operation, that is a completed profile roughing operation. And next, third operation, that is a profile finishing operation. This is a profile finishing operation, and drilling operation, last one. Then for post processing, so simulation for post processing, that is a generating the program. So go into the action, or also can select the post process option. After selecting the post process, you can change the number 1002. The already that is a program, it is a generated. And also we can select the machine. So numbers of machines are available in market. So most widely used, that is a Fanuc turning machine. You can select the machine, then select the post, then select the destination, that is on desktop, and save. Now we can see the post processing part. This shows the operation, that is a facing operation, then profile roughing operation is started. At this end, that is the first operation, it is a completed. In second, that is a profile roughing operation, it is start. Then spindle speed, feed rate, it is shown, and XYZ coordinates. To completion, that is a sequence number, that is shown by the block. Then profile finishing operation, and finally that is a drill operation, that is a tool selection, and that is a speed, feed, radius, spindle stop. So this program shows the all the operations. Directly we can put this into the machine that can create the required shape of the job. Thank you. Stay connected for the next videos.